Imagine this. A star, dozens of times bigger than our sun, runs out of fuel and collapses. But instead of just fading away, it creates the strangest object in the universe, a black hole. But what is a black hole? Is it a hole? A portal? A cosmic monster? Let's break it down. Simply, what is a black hole? A black hole is an area in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. It's not a hole in the traditional sense. It's a region of space with a huge amount of mass packed into a tiny volume. Imagine the mass of several suns squeezed into the size of a city. How do they form? Most black holes form from dying stars. When a massive star runs out of fuel, it can no longer support itself against gravity. The star collapses inward, and if it's massive enough, it forms a singularity, a single point with infinite density. Around this singularity is the event horizon, the point of no return. Once something crosses it, there's no way back. What happens inside a black hole? Honestly, we don't know. At the center is the singularity, where the laws of physics as we know them break down. Space and time become warped. Our current understanding of science just stops working there. Can black holes be seen? Not directly, but we can detect them by their effect on nearby matter. When matter falls in, it heats up and glows, creating powerful X-rays. In 2019, scientists even captured the shadow of a black hole using a global network of telescopes. Do black holes last forever? Nope. According to Stephen Hawking, black holes slowly lose energy over time through something called Hawking radiation. Eventually, they evaporate. But for large black holes, this takes longer than the current age of the universe. So, a black hole isn't a hole. It's a collapsed star with gravity so extreme it traps even light. They twist space, warp time, and challenge everything we know about physics. And yet, they're real. Floating out there, silently shaping the universe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this simple explanation, hit like and subscribe for more bite-sized science.